I was headed home from my mom's house, just enjoying an evening. It was about 11:15 p.m. at night. Well, this particular night, I just so happened to get the green light, and then I turned left. But when I turned left, I looked and I saw these headlights beaming in my eyes. I proceeded to press the gas pedal to get out the way as fast as I could. Well, that didn't happen. So the car hit me on my left side, the back side, passenger side door. So I got out, or attempted to get out, and that's when I noticed that my hip, my neck, everything was hurting extremely bad. And I said, well, let me sit back down. Well, I am a second-time client. So my fiance had an accident, and I was on the passenger side, and that's how we got introduced to Brooks Law Firm. So I reached out to Jasmine, and I said, hey, this is what happened, and she was like, okay, yeah, you know. And when I tell you, from the moment that I called Jasmine did the legwork, and I sent all my information, and when I tell you, it was a very quick, professional process. And he explained everything to me from A to Z, and told me, explained to me what to expect and all that, and it just seemed like I talked to them or started talking to Jazz on Monday, just giving you an example, on Monday, and then here it is Friday, everything is done. So it was a very, very quick process. No complaints at all. Like I said, even the first time, I did not have any complaints. The appointments were made on time. Communication was, for me, because I'm in customer service, so communication is everything. Even if you don't have a definite answer right then, don't leave me hanging. And that's something about Brooks Law Firm, is every question that I had was asked. Sometimes I didn't even have to ask the question. As having conversations with Jasmine, she answered those questions before I could even ask. So no, sir, I wouldn't have done anything different. Absolutely, with no hesitation, absolutely, I surely would. A1 for me.